how to insert and remove page breaks in Google Docs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your Google Docs and then now to insert page break, go to file option on the top left and then scroll down and you'll find page setup on the bottom. Tap on it and now you can see pages option. So this is the page break option. You can apply it to the whole document or you can tap on selected content and hit OK or set as default. However, if you want to remove the page break, then you can go to page list option and then the whole document will seem like one page. So you can see that there will be no page break in the document. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.